Alright guys, so something amazing just happened. Guys, guess what? I have just been selected for the 30 days bootcamp. Yeah! Guys, take a look at this. I just saw this email from Alex. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm about to take Forex trading to the next level. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, now for those of you who are fully aware, this guy has successfully taken $100 into $1 million. I followed the trade myself from beginning till the end, and then I decided, how am I going to do the exact same thing to replicate his story, to replicate his views, to replicate his success, and even to replicate the amount of money he has in his trading account. So I decided to do something, and yes, if you think I'm a copycat, I am. Let me tell you something quick about me. I am a Nigerian. As Nigerians, our parents tell us, you have a classmate that gets 95 over 100. Does he have two heads? And I thought, Alex was able to turn $100 to $1 million. Does he have two heads? I'm going to try something similar. So therefore, ladies and gentlemen, for the next 7 days, I'm going to see how much I can take my trading account size from where it is now to wherever I can take it. At this point in time, I do not have a limit. Maybe I can take it to $1 million, which is almost impossible. Or maybe I'm going to blow the account. And please, my viewers, I want you all to wish me luck. Because believe me, it's about to go down. Alright guys, so I just quickly wanted to show you something. I just finished watching this video. I think I should turn off the light so it's be kind of clear. Yep. So I just finished watching this video, and the video really inspired me so much. How I turned $100 to $1 million in 90 days. I believe for those of you that follow, oh come on, these ads. Sorry, give the ad some time. Forgive it. Please, can you leave my screen? Thank you. Yeah.
Dude. Holy shit, bro. Holy shit, bro. Yo, that's happening, dude. Oh my God, 100,000. Yo, there's no way. Yo, there's no.
So, after watching the video, it was so inspiring, and I thought, I can literally do the exact same thing. I believe I can do the exact same thing. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is more like a challenge where I'm going to be taking not $100 to $1 million, but I'm going to try my best and see how much I can take the account, okay? Yep. So first, this is the date, 22nd of October, Tuesday, 2:40 a.m. and this is how the account is going. So we can see in our account we have about $15,000, and let's see how much we can take that before the end of the week with let's see how much we can take that before the end of the week with the set and forget strategy specifically. So I'm going to be updating you guys during the week, and just in case you're thinking, who am I to try and take $15,000 to wherever I'm trying to take it to? Yeah, the thing is, I've been following Alex for about 2 years now. I've been trading for about approximately 4 years, and I've been following Alex for 2 years, and I feel, yeah, also, I forgot to mention, his last challenge in which he tried to take $100 to $1 million, he blew the account when he was somewhere about $380,000. That was where he blew the account. I followed that challenge very, very well, and I was able to learn a whole lot. That challenge taught me a lot. And then this second challenge, I followed it also consecutively very well. And I feel I've learned a lot from his strategy. So I'm going to try out his strategy, the set and forget strategy, to see how much I can take my account size to. I just hope I'm not going to do some rubbish in this video, because after this video, I'm going to be going back to school. So I'm not really going to have a chance to record more YouTube videos for the meantime. But ladies and gentlemen, let the challenge begin. I have no Telegram and I have no Instagram to help me, but don't worry, I can do this on my own. I'll be fine. Alright guys, so this is GBPJPY. First things first, let me show you the time. I haven't still taken any trades. You can see the time is 3:17 p.m. October 22nd, Tuesday. I still haven't taken any trades on the account. I clearly still haven't taken any trades on the account, but seems like this is going to be my first trade. So this is GBP JPY. When I have more time, I'm really going to explain because my camera is almost dead. So I want to take this trade from here to the upside because this is a major level of support and resistance, and it has come to this zone in which we saw. So I'm going to be taking this trade because it has come to my area of interest according to Fxalexg strategy. So I'm going to be updating you guys later. So remember I told you my camera was about to die, and actually in fact it is dead. So this is another one I have seen, GBP CHF. GBP CHF GBP CHF is going for an uptrend, and I think I'm about to enter the trade right now, but let me just do a quick analysis. Let me just do a quick analysis before I enter the trade. So let me delete all this and show you what I have seen on GBP CHF. Now, when it comes to GBP CHF, like I said, the simple thing in the forex market is identify the direction of the market. SMC traders call it institutional bias. So identify where is the market going. Initially, the market was doing some lower lows and lower highs. There's a low, the lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and lower high. But now at this point, this low was not able to break below this low. This low was not able to break beneath this low. So this now becomes a lower high and not a lower low. So it is now obvious that seems like the market wants to make some change of structure or change of direction. Now we're going to delete this. If you check the market, this level in which it's currently at is a very important key level. We can see from here, so we can pull it out here a little bit. We can pull it out here, and we can see that this is a very beautiful key level. So this key level in which it has gotten to, so we're now expecting it. It came here, it wasn't able to break above, it retested, came back here, broke back a little bit downward, came here, and it is now back down here. So ladies and gentlemen, what am I expecting for it to do? Obviously for it to go to the upside. So that's what I'm expecting for this market currently to give me. It has already given me my entry signal, so I can now take the market to the upside. So I think I'm going to be entering the trade right now. The only issue I have is where is my take profit going to be, because I have 3 take profit levels. This is going to be one of them. This is not take profit one, but it's one of the take profit levels. This is one of them, and then this is another take profits level. This is another take profits level right here. But now the first and the least take profit level in which you may not have really noticed is here. So you can see that these are my take profits levels. So I'm going to be entering this trade right now. Enough of the long talk, just so I'm not going to miss the trade. So this is how I'm going to be taking the trade. So this would have been a 1:2, but sometimes I don't go for 1:2s. I mean, this is a nice level, but I think I'm going to target here more. This is more like a 1:4 risk to reward ratio. So I'm going to be taking this trade right now. You can see how perfect the trade lies. You can see from here to the downside and from here. So we're going to take it first take profit and second take profit. So let's see how everything matches up. We're just going to take it in a short while. So overall, there are 3 positions I'm at: GBP JPY and GBP CHF. Now also, I was meant to go into CHF JPY, but hold on, we're not going to go there right now because the trade has not set. So this is just it for now. All right, boys. Yo, so I think it's about an hour or so. Yeah, or let's say approximately 2 hours. So we can see the time here, 5:21 p.m. Still Tuesday, October 22nd. And then, oh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. And we can see what we're experiencing right here. So it's not that much. We've had literally about 1,000 worth of profits on the first day, and I mean everything is going quite well. I'm going to step out and see how the markets act later. Bye for now. You know, actually, when I looked at this, I kept on asking myself, is there a news happening? Like, is there a news somewhere? Because this is massive. I wish I entered the trade somewhere around here. It would have been amazing, but unfortunately, I was not able to be fast to catch it here. But I still caught the trade here. But this is a wonderful, ginormous move. We're going to step out for now. Set and forget, boys. Set and forget. Alright boys, heads up. So first things first, it is trade updates. The time is 3:25 a.m. Wednesday morning, October 23rd. If you notice, a whole lot of times I always do my trade updates in the middle of the night and the early hours of the following day. Reason being that the phone I'm using to record is not mine, it's actually my sister's iPhone. So it's the phone I use for a camera. It's why the previous clip you saw, I was just recording on my system. I was doing a screen record. So enough of that. Okay, let me just give you a quick update on how the trades are going. So we can see here. So this is GBP JPY. Oh my God, bro! It's close to our take profit, bro. Bro, I mean, the last trade update I made, the trade was literally somewhere here. Bro, this is mad. Yes, come on. Alex will say, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, $4,000. Bro. And it literally almost hit the take profit. Come on. Guys, believe me, I am so excited. I wish I can scream, but this is in the middle of the night, so I don't want to wake anybody up. But you know what? I mean, these are some of the pairs. Okay, this is CHF JPY actually, and this is GBP JPY. If we check for GBP JPY, is somewhere here. I literally made an update early hours of today on how the trades are going. So this was the update on GBP JPY. All right, so this is GBP JPY, and this is the prediction for GBP JPY. And you can see, bro, it's literally very close to our take profits. Then, and you remember we got into the trade here. I said we actually got into the trade a little bit late. So we're going to, oh God, set up, bro, set and forget works. You see, I would, listen, I promise you all, Alex did not I'm not affiliated any way through Fxalexg or something sort of. Believe me, I am not. The reason I'm doing this, one, to make money, and two, to get views for myself. I'm not in any way affiliated with Alex. And I tell you, trade and forget does work. Because how are we going to explain this? You know what? I'm actually going to calm down, set up my camera, and explain everything well with the system and on how the trades are going. So this is GBP JPY. The other one I'm on about 2 trades. This is for GB. Oh, damn. Okay. You see what I'm saying? I think the trade has closed. Ladies and gentlemen, you see our trade has closed. Yeah. Guys, this is amazing. So I think the next trade we have right here is GBP CHF. So and you see it is still going, and it's going higher. It's literally going higher than the point in which we set as take profit. And I'm happy I recorded this thing live and it closed before your eyes. Now, I know some people will be like, oh, it is manipulated. Don't worry, I don't have any money to pay anybody to manipulate the market. So believe me, it is not in any way manipulated. And it means I'm going to wait. Seems like I'm going to re-enter this trade. I don't want to walk by emotions. Because if this trade does something like this and comes to this place to retest, most likely I'm going to, and let's say I get some entry signal, I could re-enter this trade to the upside. Because the reason I set here as my take profits was, if you go out a little bit, let's go to a daily time frame. If you go out a little bit, this point is a point that was respected previously. Now, if we come back to the 4 hours and just zoom out a little bit, let's see. if we zoom out a little bit, it is this level here where he had some, he had some consolidation. So this was the level where I set it to be my take profit. Like I said, if he bounces above and comes down to retest, I could re-enter this trade back to the upside. But let's hold on and let's see how it plays out for now. Like I said, I'm really excited because I was contemplating if I should start recording now or I should hold on, do my setup. I just said, let me just do an update and just record this and see. Once I'm done recording this, then as you can see, my environment is really scattered. As you can see, my environment is really scattered. I've not even done a setup or so. So actually what I was thinking was I would arrange this place, do my setup and start filming. But I just said, let me just pick up my phone and pick up the camera and just do a quick update. Then before I start arranging, before all these things happen. And I'm happy I caught it live. So it means the set and forget strategy does work. And believe me, I'm going to set and forget till okay. Yeah, literally, I'm going to set and forget forever. Yes, I have proven it to you, but still, I mean, today is still Wednesday. I'm going to be explaining how I cut the trade. I'm going to explain that in a short time. So let me just arrange this place and I'm going to do that. All right, so I've been able to do a little cleanup in which enough cleanup that I can record the video. So let me explain how I cut these trades. First things first, this is GBP JPY. Now, if you zoom out a little bit, and also, this was one of the trades I took in the time of Fxalexg, and he has already completed the challenge, so there's no more Fxalexg, there's no more trade updates and trade ideas and so on and so forth. So these were some of the trades I took from Fxalexg. I took this one also, and now this is the one I just took, this 98, which I'm going to come to that later. So if we look on the outer view of the trade, it was going on a downtrend, but the trade actually changed the trend. But before that, somewhere around here, it was on a downtrend. But like I said, it has changed. It's no longer on a downtrend. The trade changed at this level. So this was where the trade changed to the upside. So it's no longer on a downtrend. Now, how you spot a downtrend on a normal circumstance, if you're on a trade, the first thing you do is identify the direction of the market. If it's making lower lows and lower highs, it's on a downtrend. For example, if it is making lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, it is on a downtrend. And then if it is making higher highs and higher lows, it's on an uptrend. So if it's making higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, it is on an uptrend. So that's how you see a market on a downtrend, a bearish market, and a bullish market. So clearly this is a bullish market. It's making higher highs and higher lows. So we're up and it came down a little bit to retest. It went up, came down again, and it's up. It came down and it's up. So who knows, this trade could most likely come to this area and still go to the upside. But for now, we're still making some little movements. So we can now say that we're looking for buys, we're looking for buying opportunities. And you know that the trade has already hit my take profit, so it has closed. But like I said, I may still be re-entering the trade. So we're looking for buying opportunities. And Alex will always say if we're under, we're selling. If we're above, we're buying. So clearly we were above this range. Now this range is a range that the market has consolidated on this range a long, let me delete this so you can see it better. So the market has consolidated on this range for a long time. Here it came back down here. It came up, down, up, down, up, down. And so it has been consolidating. So all I needed to wait for was a break above and retest. And this retest was something that really opened my eyes. Now, another thing I always preach is when you're on a trade, learn to mark out your sensitive points. The points in the market where the market has done multiple reversals. These are your sensitive points. These are your key levels. And also, you can also look out for some psychological. For example, 198000, it's like a psychological, although we're not going to go there. We can look out for some round psychologicals and so on and so forth. But then the trade was consolidating around this area. So we know that I tried to avoid trading in between this zone here and here. I tried to avoid trading because we're not sure. But one thing for a fact, like I said, was the market was on an uptrend. That is just one thing for a fact. For the fact that the market is on an uptrend, we're looking for buying opportunities. We're not looking for selling opportunities. Now, remember that the trade actually, this line you can see here was where my take profit was, and the market hit it, and it's kind of going down a little bit, but I believe it still has some potentials to hit it to the upside, retest and go to the upside. Now, if it does this, like I said, I could be entering for another trade on GBP JPY. I'm going to update you guys. Today is still Wednesday. I could be entering. If it comes up and goes to the downside, I could enter for another trade. But seems like it's pulling back, it's going back. But thank God, it has hit my take profit, so I'm already out of the trade. And then from my phone here, the next trade is GBP CHF. As you can see, the next pair is GBP CHF. Now, if we go to GBP CHF, I'm already on a trade also in GBP CHF. I'm buying the trade on GBP CHF. Now, this was clearly what I saw on GBP CHF. I think I entered GBP CHF in a perfect entry. That was when I took in the trade of GBP CHF. But the only thing is GBP CHF is not really as fast as GBP JPY. But don't worry, that is none of our business for now. Now, like I said, GBP CHF, just as GBP JPY, GBP CHF is also on an uptrend. It was on a downtrend before, but now we can see it makes some higher highs and higher lows. So GBP CHF is also on an uptrend. It is clear. It's on a clear uptrend. So we're looking for buying opportunities. So as it's on an uptrend, we're clearly looking for buying opportunities. Now, we can see the market does some higher highs and higher lows. This is a high, there's a higher low, this is a higher high, and this is a higher low. So it came up to this point and retested a little bit. And I believe this market has some potentials to go to the upside. Now, if you see, I took two trades, or I entered two positions on the trade. The reason I entered two positions was because I have two different take profits. So this line you can see here is take profits 1. Let me zoom in a little bit. So this, yes. So this is my take profits 1. The reason I kept this as take profits 1 is because of this level right here. So I'm believing that if the market gets to this level, it could most likely retrace a little bit and maybe even go back down, in which I don't want to risk it. So this is my take profits 1, and then this is my take profit 2, because if you zoom out, you see that it has come here previously, and this is a key level. This is an important, a respected zone. Do you understand? So I'm expecting it to come to this zone again, most likely. So that is another key level. So that was how I cut for GBP CHF. These trades, they don't really take too much because I've already studied so much from Fxalexg and the set and forget strategy. So I believe I know enough. But like I said, the trade, I entered the position somewhere around here, and this is where it is now. I entered it, I think it was this time yesterday, early hours of yesterday morning also. So the trade has not really gone that far, but we're believing it's going to move so well. So that is for GBP CHF. And then the pair I've not yet entered, but I'm looking at entering, is CHF JPY. So I've not entered a trade on CHF JPY, but I'm still looking for buys on CHF JPY. Now, CHF JPY is the exact same thing with these two other pairs. That's why most times it's good to trade similar pairs. It's risky, but it's good. But because if you see right here, CHF JPY was on a downtrend, but now it has now changed to an uptrend. It was making some lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. So I had to mark out the place in which it retraced. So these are the places in which it retraced. It made some lower lows and lower highs, and it got to this level. Now, the market has already changed direction. We can see it made this inverse head and shoulder. We can see, so this is the left neck head, then this is the left neck and right, left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. So this place is the neckline, and then it broke above the neckline, it retested. So this is a clear indication that the market is going to the upside. Now, I think I said it before, I wish I entered this trade here. I wish, but I didn't. So screw that. Let's forget about it. I did not enter the trade. So right now I'm waiting for some. It's making a break above. So the market is actually breaking above. Oh, I think I moved this mistakenly. I think it's meant to be here. So the market is doing some breakables. So it is breaking above, and all we need to wait for, like I drew, is for the market to come somewhere here and then come back to this level, and then we can now take the trade. So this could play out. It could take a while before it plays out, but we're going to allow the market to do its thing. We're not going to force it. For now, I'm already in profit of about approximately $4,000, literally within 24 hours. So we can see that the trades are going very, very, very well. On GB, Alex had a community on Telegram in which he can post these trades. I don't have a community on Telegram. I mean, I literally have about approximately I'm going to 800 subscribers. So me going to 800 subscribers, you can see that if maybe I had a community, I would post, I'm going to upload something like this, but I don't have a community. I don't have a community on Telegram to upload. Well, I think I can upload it on my WhatsApp status by CHF JPY. Okay, I'm not going to upload it now, because if they buy CHF JPY at this point in time, it could turn down. So I'm not going to upload it on my WhatsApp status. So I'm going to wait for the market to come to this position. Then I tell them to buy CHF JPY. What do you think? I think that's a good idea, because I don't have a community on Telegram or Instagram. So please, you guys should subscribe. So in the future, when I become so big, maybe you could be part of my community. But one thing is fact: the set and forget strategy does work. Believe me. Even if tomorrow I become a famous trader like Fxalexg, that guy really changed my trading career. He took these two challenges he tried. The first time he tried to take $100 to $1 million, that he blew it at $300,000. I followed the trade and I learned a lot. And now he has taken finally $100 to $1 million. And believe me, I have learned so much from this guy. So if he can do it, from what I have learned, I can do it. I can do something similar. Maybe not exactly like him, but I can also do something similar. So I decided to try it, and so far it is working out well. I mean, today is only Wednesday, and believe me, if I become a famous trader tomorrow, I will still preach the set and forget strategy, because that strategy works. Okay, so I'm not really part of these people who come online to insult. When it comes to my forex trading, my mentor in forex is Fxalexg. I learned so much from forex. I learned so much from that guy about forex, that when it comes to the business at large, my mentor when it comes to in businesses is Iman Gadzi. So I'm going to step out from the markets now, and I'm going to do a trade update later. Maybe if this market comes up here and comes to the downside, we're going to do a trade update. But if it doesn't, we could be done for the week. Maybe we made about $3,000 this week, or approximately $4,000, and it's really good. But remember that GBP CHF is still running, where we're in this trade and we're in profit. So even if I don't enter CHF JPY, I'm good to go. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to update you later. Bye for now. I mean, take a look at this guy. So who's this guy? Who does he think he is? He thinks he can turn $100 into $1 million. Who the hell does this guy think he is? Believe me, Alex, I'm gonna do the exact same thing. Okay, maybe not the exact same thing, but I'm gonna do as you did, very, very much well. And also, by the way, guys, this is my YouTube channel, Mr. Sam 2.0. Yeah, so it's clear. My channel has about 300 or 713 subscribers, and officially 100 videos uploaded. I'm trying so hard, and this is my most viral video that I talked about how I turned or how I did the challenge also with Alex. He had about 5.5k views. Like, bro, the video is going viral, and I'm so happy because I've not had, I mean, if you check my most popular videos, if you go out of the YouTube and check my most popular videos, we can go down a little bit. And I mean, my most popular video apart from that had 2.7k views, 2.6, 2.4, and this, yeah, I did it with Alex. So anyways, look, enough of that. Okay, let's go back to our trade updates. So trade updates, let's see how trades are going. Wow. So it is still the exact same time. It's just 1 hour later. And guys, like, look at this. Look at this. I think it's still at the exact same point, but this is my GBP CHF trade. This one is different. GBP JPY that closed me in profits. You can see profit of about $3,000. So if we go to GBP CHF, this is how we're running for GBP CHF. Our take profits are really high. Like, I mean, look at where our take profits is. So if we can take this from here to there, bro, we're going to be making, like, from one trade, we could make as much as $6,000. Yeah. So we're going to step out now and come back later. Ladies and gentlemen, please subscribe to Mr. Sam 2.0. Let us grow the channel to 1,000 subscribers before the month of October runs out. Thank you. All right, brothers. So it's trade updates, and we are about to hit margin call, but don't worry, set and forget. So first things first. The time is 12:40 or 12:24 a.m. October 24th on a Thursday, and this is how we're looking. This is how we're looking right now. So we're in loss of about $1,000, and let me show you what I've seen on the market. So this is GBP CHF. So let's go to GBP CHF. So this is how we're looking on GBP CHF, and we have a little issue right here. But let me turn off the light first things first. So as you can see on GBP CHF, the plan was for the trade to come to this area and we take it to the upside. So we were in profits of about $1,000, and then all of a sudden it went for a drawdown. So I was thinking it was going to come back to this same area of interest and still go to the upside, but now it's pulling back. Now I started asking myself a question: what stops this trade from hitting my stop loss? Because this is literally how the trade is going right now. So what stops this trade from hitting my stop loss? And then I drew this line. I had to zoom out a little bit, and I'm hoping this is actually a key level. So I had to zoom out a little bit, and then I saw this, and then I saw this zone right here. So this is the zone I just drew. So as we can see, it's respected, and kind of respected here. So I'm feeling that the market just wants to respect it, and it's not going to break beneath. Seems like I'm going to adjust my stop loss underneath this place, but I'm not going to break my trading rule as Alex G. Set and forget. I'm sticking to Alex G's tradings, okay? Set and forget. So I'm going to leave it, and I'm going to see how this trade would run, but I just hope it doesn't break beneath this level right here, because we want it to go to the upside, and that is for GBP CHF. And as you can see on my phone here, we are on a serious drawdown. Yeah, for GBP CHF, we're on a serious drawdown right now. So and then another trading which I was looking at, or the first trading which I was in, remember I was already in a trade on GBP JPY, and remember I said that I'm predicting the market to come to this area. So let me zoom in a little bit so you can see that. Now, remember I said earlier, you can just go back a few clips ago, that I said I am predicting the markets to come down to this zone, and from here I take the trade back to the upside, and voila, it has happened. But I was thinking if I'm going to take the trade to the upside or not. I may not take the trade to the upside, but I mean it looks so solid, because you know, if this red candlestick had body closed under this wick, we would have said, okay, maybe it's going to the downside. But I think we have about how many hours? We have about 1 hour 31 minutes for this candlestick to close, and let's see if the candlestick closes. Let's see how it's going to close. Maybe from the way it closes, I'm going to know if I'm going to enter the trade or not. But even if I enter the trade, I think I'm going to enter the trade with a really little stop loss, or with a really little lot size rather. But for the fact that I'm already on drawdown in the other trades, I don't want to add more drawdowns to it. But this is really looking solid. GBP, JPY. I was actually on a trade, but I got out here. The market came to this level, and I felt it could still come back to this side, and it has come back here. So I could enter or not in the next 1 hour. We're going to be watching. And then for CHF, JPY, these are like the three pairs I have for the week. For CHF JPY, remember my prediction was this is a very solid trade. I said I'm going to enter this trade if it comes back to this area of interest, in which it hasn't come back. So for now, we're still allowing it to do its thing. And like we said, today is still Wednesday, right? Oh, actually, today is early hours of Thursday, 24th of October. So let's see how the trades are going. We're going to step out of the market and we're going to come back later. I'm still going to update you guys. Let me just watch if I'm going to enter a trade on GBP, JPY, or I'm just going to forget about it. Okay, bye for now. And then when I thought everything was at its peak, this happened.
All right, guys, so something amazing just happened. Now, yes, I know it's related to the trade, but it's not about the trade. But I just recorded the trade few seconds. Look, I'm so excited. I just recorded the trade a few seconds ago. As you can see, this is the time. Yeah, I'm sure you can see that. So it's about 5 minutes ago that I just recorded how I'm about to hit margin calls. And don't worry, I'm still about to hit margin calls. But guys, guess what? Guess what I just saw? I have just been selected for the 30 days bootcamp. Yeah! Guys, take a look at this. I just saw this email from Alex about 20 minutes ago. You can see that 20 minutes ago. You have been selected to be part of the 30 days bootcamp, and you have been selected to be part of 30 days bootcamp. Samuel, I'm really excited to tell you that you have been selected to be part of the 30 days bootcamp. Bro, this is a win for me because, listen, there are about 100,000 people that applied, and we were literally going to, or Alex was actually going to select about only 300 people. Now, the thing is this. I did not even expect to be selected. I just applied. And I think why he picked me was because at some point when he asked, why should we pick you? Then I said, hey, if I make it successful in trading, I'm going to drop out of school. And I feel that was why he picked me. And listen, Alex, if you've seen this video, you're a real G. Believe me, I love you, bro. You're the GOAT, bro. Yes. I want to hit this camera, but I don't want to hit it because cameras are really expensive. So I don't even want to hit the camera right now. And look, if I'm going to document my way going through the 30 days bootcamp, I'm going to do it because I'm really, really, really excited for this 30 days bootcamp. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm about to take Forex trading to the next level. Bro. So, ladies and gentlemen, after seeing the win for the 30 days bootcamp, we're now going to Alex's Instagram, and yeah, baby, yeah, we're ready. Oh yeah, live in 22 minutes. I know, I saw this late actually. I saw this about 2 hours ago. So, he uploaded it about 2 hours ago, and he said live in 22 minutes. So I saw it very late, but don't worry, it's fine. I never expected to be picked, guys. Yep. Is not only with a 30-day bootcamp, yep, but with a 60-day bootcamp. Yep. Exactly what? Preach up, Alex. Preach up. I'm going to join the bootcamp. It is time. Let's go. Yo. We are officially live. Yeah, baby, we're live. Anticipation to this moment was very hectic, but I know it's gonna be very worth it for all of you guys. So if you guys can hear me at this very moment, yep, put a 1 in the chat. I absolutely can hear you. So the thing is, I actually did not join live because I came late, but I'm still going to watch the video. 2 minutes. Just want to make sure that everybody can get on board. It was uploaded about an hour ago, so I came late, but don't worry, we're still here. You have to put 2 in the chat if you can't hear me. Here we go with the trolls. The trolls are starting. All right, boys. So last time that I was here All right, boys. So I'm going to update you guys later once I'm done watching this, okay?
Legendary, very stressful. This is not going to be stressful. I'm actually very relaxed. Here in my new home where I'm going to be doing.
Yeah, also, Alex actually bought a new home, which is very, very, very amazing.
In the stream, I have two special invited guests that are going to be talking on this.
You know what? If you want to watch this video, go to his YouTube channel, okay? Bye for now. So guys, I just re-entered the trade of GBP JPY, and yes, I know moving towards margin calls, but I think the trade has some potentials to go to the upside. So set and forget, boys. I'm not going to feel, I'm really feeling so excited right now. So set and forget. Yep. So, ladies and gentlemen, it is trade updates, and very quickly, our trades have hit margin calls. But let me just show you. So first things first, the time is 3:40 a.m. Friday, October 25th. So this is early hours of Friday morning. So we still have about 24 hours before the market closes. But so we can see that all the trades have closed. We've gone back to $15,000. Then this is the trading history. So I was profitable on GBP JPY. The first trade I took, I made about approximately $4,000. Then GBP CHF, this one, I lost this. Then this one was about $100 worth of profit, and then I lost this. Now all this in total, my profit was negative $600. Now all these trades are still going towards my direction, but I lost them because of wrong place of stop loss. And let me show you what I mean. So this is GBP CHF, and as you can see, my prediction, okay, yeah, ignore this line, is more like, I think if you go back, you see what I explained. It's like my fear. I'm scared that the market has started doing lower lows and lower highs. So let it not be that we've had a change of structure and then the market has started going to the downside. That's like my fear. But for the fact that it has broken above and this is more like it's retesting this zone, I still have a strong belief that this market actually has some potentials to go to the upside. I still have a strong belief that this market still has some potentials to go to the upside. This is for GBP CHF, and you see, this was where it stopped me. This little wick right here. This was where actually I placed my stop loss. I adjusted this. I adjusted all my stop losses from here. Foolish me. Just look at that. If my stop losses were still here, I would have still been in the game. I adjusted all my stop losses from here to this exact point here, and it wicked me out of the trade. And who knows, it could still go towards my direction. Like I said, today is still Friday, so we still have some time to play around with the market. And then the next trade in which I was in, which is GBP JPY, the one I had the first $3,000 worth of profits. Now, if we go to GBP JPY, now we'll see that the exact same thing happened. It was just a little, I still took my stop loss underneath here, and we had this candlestick that pulled into my stop loss, more like a bearish engulfing candlestick that pulled into my stop loss, and now it's going towards my direction. Little, it has not gone that much, but the way I'm looking at this market the way I'm looking at this market is going to play out, but I don't think it's going to play out this week. I think it's going to play out the following week. But like I said, I'm going back to school, so I'm not really going to be able to do it the following week, but maybe I could still update, maybe or maybe not. But this market will actually go towards my direction from the way I'm seeing it, but not this week. It looks like it's going to go towards my direction the following week. So like I have seen here, it just needs it's still doing its thing. When some volume comes in, it's still most likely going to go to the side. Now remember, I took the trade initially from here, and this was where I got out because I felt it may reverse here, but it broke above till here. And if I was still in the trade, I would have still made about $10,000. And then it came back here, so I entered it expecting it to go back to the upside, and shit happens and stuff like that, and so on and so forth. So this is for GBP JPY. Now what is very annoying is GBP CHF, that I predicted that it was so slow but I did not enter. It has started going towards our direction. So if we check for, sorry, not GBP CHF, this is CHF JPY. not GBP CHF, CHF JPY actually. Now remember what I said about CHF JPY, that I wanted it to come down to this area of interest, then we take it to the upside. And would you look at that? You see it is here. Now I'm not going to jump into the straight one because it is Friday. I don't know the magic the markets would do for the trade to get here before today runs out. But I mean, if it does, I'm going to update you guys. But I don't think it's going to happen. So all these trades are going to play out next week perfectly according to my prediction. So I mean, if you just drag this here, you see, this was what I predicted. But it could still come a little bit downward. But I don't think it may. But this was what I predicted, and then it goes to the upside. So it is playing perfectly according to my direction, but every trade have been going negatively this week. But they've been going towards my direction, but some little wrong stop loss placement, and you know these things happen. They happen in the market. So I'm going to update you guys. I'm going to give my finishing remarks and update you all. Bye for now. Peace. So you can see this is our YouTube channel, Mr. Sam 2.0, 715 subscribers, and our videos are doing quite well. This is like my most popular video till now, 5.7k subs. I've never had a video that's had this much views, and then I just uploaded this one about one day ago, 62 views. So please, ladies and gentlemen, I want you all to subscribe to the channel. And then this is behind the scenes. We can see 715 subscribers and 942 public watch hours in the last 365 days. So I want you all to subscribe so we can fill this bar before I earn any penny off of YouTube, even for this one. Thank you all. Bye for now. Now, all right, boys. So no more updates for the week. First things first, I closed the trade. Okay, I didn't close the trade. Actually, the trade closed. It hits my stop loss, but every trade, like I said, is still going towards my direction. So the thing, what I learned from this challenge in which I took is sometimes give your stop loss room to breathe. Believe me, give your stop loss a room to breathe, because my stop loss was super tight. You know, I didn't want to lose so much, and it hit my stop loss because the trades are going towards my direction. But just because I had some super tight stop loss, and I have learned that lesson. So I wish I can still continue this challenge. I'll be going back to school next week. I've been saying it's time without numbers, times without number, and whatever, whichever one is correct. And then I'm not going to really have time to follow, but I want you all to check these trades and follow them up and see how they're going to go or how they're going to play out within the next few weeks. Okay, thank you all for sticking with me. Bye for now, and I believe someday I'm going to really be very big and a profitable trader. And also, one more thing, lest I forget, I'm not going to sit here and lie to how many thousand people that watch this video. This is actually a demo account. I made use of it. It's not a real account. I made use of a demo account for the challenge. Reason being that, hey, I'm some young boy growing, okay? So I don't really have a couple of dollars or a couple of thousands of dollars to fund a real account. I'll be honest with you, that's my major reason. I'm broke. So I believe as time goes on, I'm going to get some money to fund the real account. As you can see, it's written demo here, DEMO. I just hope you saw that. So at some point, I know I'm going to have enough money to fund the real account, but till then, bye for now.